Hi, I'm Lena Schuper, admissions director and mom at Irvine Hebrew Day School. Right now, our middle school students are investigating human-system interactions through FOSS science, driving student curiosity in the medical field. Our middle school science teacher, Ms. Monfried, can tell us more.
So our amazing middle school students are diagnosing a patient, and so we got to look at a lot of different evidence from doctors doing rounds. We took down all the patient's symptoms, and we had 3 diseases that we were choosing between for the official diagnosis, which were hantavirus pulmonary syndrome, lupus, or Lyme disease. So students first had to learn about all the different body systems to figure out exactly which system was being affected. Then we had to go through each of the symptoms and match them to the 3 different diseases and syndromes. Last but not least, students had to read in their textbook and find evidence to defend their answer for the diagnosis for our patient. Students connected the systems and they saw that every single system connects and each depends on every other system in the body. So they could see that if something was wrong with, for example, the respiratory system, this would affect all the other systems in the body.
Does hantavirus pulmonary syndrome have fatigue?
Yes.
All right, muscle aches and back pain.
Yep.
Yep.
And aches might feel like aches in your chest rather than it being hard to breathe and tight, in my opinion.
Hantavirus pulmonary syndrome is caused by rodents, most commonly by deer mice, by breathing air that has been exposed to mouse droppings or mouse urine. The patient's symptoms include fever, fatigue, muscle aches, and back pain, joint pain, headaches, shortness of breath, tightness in chest, weird feeling in heart, and diarrhea. In conclusion, I think it is hantavirus pulmonary syndrome because it has the most matches for me and because she was in a garage with mouse droppings.
I agree with Avisha. I think it's hantavirus because she matches most of the symptoms from hantavirus more than she matches Lyme disease or lupus. And in the video, the doctor says that she was exposed to old mouse droppings in a garage, and this is the cause of hantavirus from my textbook. Also, one of the symptoms from both lupus and Lyme disease is a rash, and she has not experienced that.
Next, she was healthy prior to this, and hantavirus anyone can get without any health problems in the body. Lastly, she had no rashes. None of the hantavirus symptoms were rashes, but all the other ones, including lupus and Lyme disease, did. In conclusion, I think it was hantavirus.
It was very interesting for me to learn about the different diseases, and it was really fun to match the symptoms up, and I thought it was really cool that we actually got to diagnose the patient even though we weren't actually the one treating her, but still.
I thought it was pretty fun because, well, it was a mystery and we had to figure out the disease, kind of like a code.
Our knowledgeable teachers and extensive program inspire and motivate students to engage in a lifetime of critical thinking and deep learning. Join me for an in-person private tour of our 5-acre campus in Santa Ana. Register at irvinehebrewday.org.